Welcome back everybody, happy December. Today I'm going to be rescaping the biOrb because unfortunately I had a really bad thrip infestation in here. So I've had to remove everything, including the soil, so I'm starting from scratch. I did try and save a few of the plants, but unfortunately they didn't really like being soaked underwater with fairy liquid. I was just so paranoid that there's going to be bugs on them, so I did kind of blitz them in the sink. But I did manage to save this Syngonium pink splash. The air plants are okay. And then I've been growing this little pink princess cutting upstairs in my office, so I thought I might put that in there as well. I picked up a few new plants from one of my local garden centres, although there's not much exciting stuff in the garden centres at the moment. It's not the best time of year to be buying houseplants, but I managed to pick up a few anyway. And then I've also got my wooden pieces that I had in there before. So I've got some wood that I used in my fish tank at one point, and then these are actual biOrb ornaments, these two here, these big ones, and these are also biOrb resin ornaments as well, so I'm going to be adding those in. Oh, and also this little one from the garden centre. I'm also hoping to put up my Christmas decorations today, so I've got quite a busy day ahead of me. So I'm going to put my phone on the tripod and then film the process, and then I'll show you how it's looking afterwards. It's looking a lot better than it did this morning. Still a little bit bare for my liking. I'm used to it being quite kind of overgrown and a bit higher up. And ideally I would like to get something that gives it a little bit of height at the back there. But for now, this is all I could come up with, because as I said, there's not much in the garden centres at the moment this time of year. So I'll probably give it another bit of a rescape later on next year. Add a few more plants in, and as I said, add something at the back that gives it a bit more height, but at least we've got a few textures going on in there and a pop of colour. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching everyone. I really hope you enjoyed my rescape video. Take care, and I'll see you all soon.